Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand today inaugurated one-day seminar on media for communal harmony and responsible journalism held at Hotel Imphal in North AOC. The program was jointly organized by Editors Guild Manipur EGM and Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR, Government of Manipur. EGM President Khogendra Khomdram, Amju President Asem Bhakta, Manipur Hill Journalists Union President Peter Adani, Media Advisor to Chief Minister Oinam Sunil, DIPR Director T.H. Chiranjit, editors, reporters and students attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, EGM President Khogendra Khomdram stated that at a time when questions are being raised about communal harmony in the state, the media must remain committed to ethics and responsible journalism. He said the seminar was timely and significant as media organizations continue to work with restraint and professionalism despite numerous challenges. Khogendra also referred to a recent advisory issued by State Home Department stating that while it created concern among some media houses, journalists would continue to perform their duties responsibly despite various pressures. He further expressed disappointment that representatives of organizations such as the Editors Guild of India and People's Union for Civil Liberties (PUCL) fails to listen to state-related issues raised by EGM and MHJU during their visits to the state. The EGM President condemned attempts by certain groups to portray Manipur's media as exclusively Meitei media, describing such allegations as baseless and unacceptable.
One day standalone media for communal harmony and responsible journalism in a group set.
Mang the Pamigo Mahirwishing, the one to one Mediagi Pillar Lakadoriba, Mojo, the Mahing Technolokini, as a thing of the Yaroi, Manipur upon the already country. University they give fresh Sangak Pasina, Hoi Manipur, the Pomi, when a Sangaka, the Moina Tamak Paturi, the West Valley, the Amabo applied to Yaro. Classroom does not over money or was not over money. It takes them to Karikara on the side side. Well, other quite again of no items. A quick bombing, but Tagi, me Karakara, no money. Kangi Kangi, but the Hagagi, Maitala, Shiva, Hidare. A quay machine, the Hala, Lagan, my Gadaman, among the one of our Shidanaga, Koi Manipurgi media, Meitei media, Adu Adana. I was a mating part of no what worked over me, yo, see, I'm some day, I'm positive.
Speaking on the occasion, President of Manipur Hill Journalists Union, Peter Adani, stated that illegal immigration into the state has contributed to various challenges, including law and order issues and drug trafficking. He noted that neighboring Mizoram has acknowledged concerns related to illegal immigration and narcotics trafficking and stressed the need for Manipur to take decisive actions on these issues. Adani warned that failure to address such concerns could create serious challenges for future generations. He also urged Manipur government to formulate a comprehensive and effective policy to tackle the state's pressing issues. During the first session of the seminar, moderated by Amju advisor R.K. Nimai, Joint Secretary of Home Department Dr. Mayengbam Vito delivered a presentation on decoding media advisory by Manipur government Home Department. Commandant of 6 IRB and SP of Special Commando, Dr. S. Ibomcha spoke on combating misinformation, rumors and hate speech in the digital era, while Associate Professor of Manipur University, Department of Mass Communication, Natasha Ilangbam discussed journalism for peace, lessons, challenges and best practices from conflict regions. In the second session, moderated by senior journalist A. Mobi, Secretary General of Editors Guild Manipur, Yumnam Rupachandra, delivered a talk on responsible reporting during communal tension and conflict situations.
Manipur needs more stringent, more strict measures that we don't leave this unresolved conflict, unresolved issue to our younger generation. Today, if we're able to curb this illegal immigrant issue with more stringent measures, I think tomorrow our children, our generation will thank us, appreciate us for this strong, concrete measures that we take. My take here is how we deport, how we push off these outsiders that is actually inflicting enough of problems in our state, starting from law and order, starting from drugs, starting from all these issues that we have today. And I don't solely blame on a community, but with that strong government policy, I think we'll be able to resolve this issue of drugs trafficking, issue of illegal immigrants in the presence of our dignitaries, especially from the government, who will be able to give wonderful suggestions in drafting, in framing those policies.